Which gold miners do you think should perform best versus peers? I don't know if you have that kind of detail.
Yeah, I like them all.
Yeah.
Other than the ones, back up in Thunder Bay, where I'm from, there's this place called the Red Lake. The Red Lake has this place called Goldcorp, one of the richest mines in the world, richest gold mines. And so all locals, we all know that, what is a mine in some cases? Well, it's two guys lying to you standing over a hole. So we know that there's some speculative pieces of crap up there, so be careful on speculative stuff in the Ring of Fire or out on the Vancouver Stock Exchange. But when I'm talking about like small to mid caps, I'm talking about companies that could be acquired. What's happening right now is that Newmont and Barrick are having a bit of an argument as to whether or not they should get in bed together. At the same time, Newmont was interested in buying Goldcorp. So again, I love that idea because what these companies need to do in these countries is consolidate and reduce their cost structures. Barrick's already done that, and again, there's a lot of opportunity there. But what it should do is unleash a round of further M&A. Mm-hmm. So good gold producers that have done what Al just said, like CNQ has, which is they've actually invested in the production cycle. Don't forget, for a gold mine, it takes about 7 years from the point at which you find the gold to bringing it to production. That's a long tail. That's why gold miners are typically not the greatest place to be, because most people don't have the patience of 7 minutes on CNBC. Okay, so again, if you're a gold miner that spent all that time developing all that capacity, and you're like us and you think real bond yields continue to fall as growth slows, then you're probably in hurry up offense here to be buying companies. So I think that there's a lot of, own GDX, which is a broader way to play the big caps, which I like. But when the big caps start going up when they're buying the smaller caps, that's a really bullish setup too. It looks like semiconductors did, maybe 3-4 years ago.
Okay. What was that anecdote? Two guys standing over a whole line to you? Was that it? Is that what you just said?
That's what a gold mine
Why didn't you tell me that about oil and gas when I stopped doing consumer? Would have saved me a lot of pain.
And usually both guys can smoke 2 packs of cigarettes in a day,
yeah.
Faster than anybody, at least at Hedgeye.
Only in Thunder Bay.